Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'm out here at Boston Pizza, outside the Boston Pizza. So my older one, she had a birthday party. She went to a birthday party from her classmate. So they went for movies, and after movie they came out for dinner. So she just called me, asked me to pick her up, and I guess they're not quite done yet. So I'm just sitting here waiting, and I just like to share with you, like something that when I'm waiting, I'm not really wasting my time, because I used to do a lot of those things, and I just feel like I waste so much time when I'm waiting for them and I couldn't do anything. But after I started this online business, I can run it anywhere, anytime I want. Pretty much, when I'm here waiting for her to come out, and I can check some of the inquiries, like from my business, people that whoever wants to join the business. And I'm not really wasting my time, right? And still can make some social media contents. I can make some posts and make some go lives, or I can even chat with my my business partners. So I just like to share with you this one, because it's the convenience, the flexibility of doing this anywhere, anytime, and you don't really waste your time. So if you're really, interested in learn more, or, just find out if that's going to help you or not, because we do, do this, you can do it on the side and the same time earning income, and people do, do it on, on full time as well. So it's your choice, right? The thing is, the benefit is like, they get to travel more, they get pay off their debts, and they get to earn lots of savings for their kids' education. They can like paying the things that you don't really have to use your credit cards and accumulate debts, right? And some people are pay off their mortgages, buying new houses and new cars, lots of benefits. So you can check it out. Just register by your name and the email and in the website, and I'll send you more information about this online business opportunity. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I hope my kids are having fun. So they're just over there, and have a good night, everybody.